Hi guys, Chris Whaling here. Today we're going to do a little tutorial on setting up a Google Classroom. Anyway, to do that, you want to jump into your Gmail, go over here to your Google App Suite, select Classroom, and as that pulls up, it's going to have a bunch of stuff on there that I already have on mine. Of course, yours would be kind of a blank screen when you first started, and we are just going to create a class. So we're just going to say create class, and we will say class name, and I'm just going to call this one and create. Look, just like that, we created fourth grade math already. I'm going to be pretty short and just do a couple things here. I like the classroom view. The stream view is a little cumbersome. It doesn't flow very well. I have the kids work out of class work. I do as well. This is how you create your assignments and things like that. You can create material and do a lesson. You can create an assignment and add either an IXL or Study Island, something like that. And right here, I would go, really from this point, I'm going to go into Epic Ed. That is a wonderful resource. It has lessons, the standards, really everything you need is kind of a one-stop shop, so you can fill that, populate your classroom. So, apologize, my dog got irritated about something in the background. Anyway, click here, get into the fourth grade standards. Because I'm screencasting, it's eating up my bandwidth, and this is pulling up a little bit slower than average. Quite a bit slower than average. Okay, click on the calculator there for fourth grade. And here you have fourth grade math. As soon as this pulls up, this is going to tell us the relative state testing strength of each one of these topics. Number of operations, I think on fourth grade is the highest. It's around 40, 45%. I think it's 44% maybe. But this tells you also, so Epic Ed is a good resource for you to look that stuff up. Okay, there we go. Now it's pulled up 44%. So we jump to topics. We're jumping very slowly to topics. And here we have multiplication and division facts. And I'm going to just go into IXL. There's lessons on there also. So you can create material and use a lesson from that epic lesson. And then Study Island, you just kind of write those in to populate those. The lessons are very easy to post. IXL allow you to copy links and paste. Study Island doesn't let you do that, so you just have to copy the standards in there to Study Island and assign that kind of manually. So here's the IXL, the first one, and we're just going to do this one because of time frame here. So we copy that link, and then we go back to our classroom. Fourth grade math, and we just title it IXL. You can put in a better title. And go down here, sorry. And we're going to add the link that we just copied and we paste, add link, and then we click assign. And here's your IXL now. Thanks very much, guys.